What is going on, guys? Ezilyspeed here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a few extra dollars or even make your car better if you don't feel like going into business with 3D printers. So right now I'm loading in the filament. As you can see it right there, it's going in. What I have set up is where customers can send me a 3D file and I will print it off for them using a printer. This is one of my smaller ones. I have a bigger one off location. One of the designs that I'm printing for a customer. If you guys actually want one of these, drop it down in the comments or DM me on Instagram and I'll be sure to reply to you, get it all sent out. Now these are some of the 3D prints that I've done. Is a dope logo for the Audi. This was one of my first prints for the Audi. It turned out kind of poorly. The 3D printer right now, it's warming up and trying to extrude the stuff. This was one of the latest things that I actually printed out for one of my customers, but this one wasn't in the greatest quality. Let's see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. It's that right there. So now it's done extruding. So right now I have it being printed off. So this is probably going to take right around like 34-35 minutes. So I just pulled the finished product off the printer. This is what high quality looks like. Now this is just gonna have to get refined, painted, and then put onto a plaque, something like this. So on a black background, we would have that. So it's built, not bought, and then we so it look similar, something like that. Maybe a white background, something like that. But this is being shipped off tonight, so I'm gonna get this done with. Don't forget to check out my Audi video. The Audi did blow up right here. Go check it out. Thank you guys and have a great day.